channel. So as you can see, I am all excited because I'm so happy to do this makeup tutorial for Halloween. So I'm gonna go in with my Elmers school glue, and this one, you could use any one of your choice, and I'm just gonna make my eyebrow disappear. And I was a little bit nervous about this part because I never did this part before. So I was just watching a couple of tutorials and this is how I see them doing it, but I did make a little bit of mistake as I'm going to show you while I'm doing it. But pretty much I'm just going to put this on and wait till it's all dry. Next, I am going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is where I make the mistake because I was supposed to put the powder on first, like a translucent powder, and then the concealer. So I was like, oh my god, my eyebrows still gonna be showing, but you know what, I just keep on going. So I'm just gonna take my damp beauty blender and just blend it in. So next I'm gonna go in with my CC Beauty and my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation from Alyssa Ashley, and I mixed it up because I want a foundation that don't look like my skin tone, that have a little tint of white in it, because as you guys know, I'm gonna be doing the nun, and if you look at the nun, you could see that her face is like a discoloration and stuff like that. So that's the reason why I mixed the white and my foundation. And while I was doing it, it was looking kind of whitish, but I didn't like it. On camera, it looked really white, but it wasn't that white. But I did went over it and I put a little bit more of my foundation and I just blend it in. Now I'm going to take my HD Flawless Absolute New York finishing powder, and this is in white, and I'm just going to set that the foundation and the white paint on my face because I don't want it to be creased up on me, so I just use that just to set it. Next I'm going to go back into that CC Beauty and I'm going to take that brown shade, and this is optional for you guys, you don't have to do this, but I have a picture in front of me while I was doing it, and I just put a little bit of dots of brown onto my face because I don't know, to be honest, I really don't know why I put it. I didn't want my face to be too perfect. I just want to have some discoloration and stuff like that, so I did it, and I'm going to go in with my spoolie just to brush it out so that it doesn't look too perfect. Now I'm going to go back into that palette and I'm going to take that. By the way, this is a kind of like a cream palette that you could use for Halloween to make different Halloween looks on your face. I got it from Amazon, and I'm going to take that yellow shade because I want to kind of have like wherever you know normally where you put your blush, I don't want a blush right there. I want a yellow kind of looking stuff on my face, just to show that part that look kind of discoloration. So yeah, I just put that. So this is the picture I was looking at, and as you can see that, you know what I'm talking about. It was looking too cute, so I didn't want my face to look too cute. And I'm gonna go into my Dare to Create 39A palette from Morphe, and I'm gonna take that black shade down there, and I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid, even way up to my eyebrow and underneath. I'm also going to put some on my mouth area at the side and all over my lips, just to have like a discoloration right over there. And I'm just going to like smoke it out just a little bit. So I went back into that palette and I take the black shade and I kind of put some squiggly, no, I did not yet, sorry. I put a little bit of kind of like a mark. I was looking at the picture while I was doing this. So if you see me looking down, I was looking at the nun picture. Then I'm gonna take some wiggly squiggly line you know, just to put on my face. And yeah, pretty much I'm gonna be doing that. I made up my face because wherever, you know, when you crease up your face, you have that crease. So I just want to put some squiggly line right there. Then I'm going to go into my Marc Jacob. This is in black. This is an eyeliner. And I'm going to put it right kind of into my waterline. So I'm just going to go ahead and smoke out the bottom just a little bit more. Then I'm gonna go into these two shades right here from the Morphe palette, and the nose part is kind of like discoloration brown color. So I'm just gonna you know, put it onto my nose. So now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna put some black shade right there where I had put that line, just to smoke it out just a little bit. And pretty much that's it for the nun makeup tutorial. I'm just gonna put some clothes on and I will definitely see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Watch my other videos because I did a couple more tutorials and I will be doing more, and I will see you in my next video.